Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use count A and count blank function in Excel. First of all, we will use count formula. Count formula is used to count numerical values. For example, write equal and count, press tab and select values and enter. You can see these are 15 values. But if you will apply the same formula, count, press tab and select these text values and enter, you can see the counted values are shown as 0. This is because count formula only count numerical values. Then next formula is count A. Count A formula count all numerical as well as text values. For example, write equal, count and select count A formula and press tab and select these values and enter. Here you can see values are counted, and if the same formula is also applied on these values, mean numerical values, and enter, you can see it has count both numerical as well as text values. So count A is for count all, and in the end count blank formula, as his name is count blank, so it means it will be used to count blank cells. Suppose here we have some blank cells and we write here count blank and press tab and select this range and enter. So as you can see, there are 4 blank cells in cell column. So the count blank has counted 4 cells here. So this is how you can use count A and count blank formula in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.